Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with a super exciting video, and it's this festival inspired glittery look, and oh my god, I'm so in love with it, and I hope you are too. And if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm dipping into my Urban Decay Born To Run palette, and I'm just taking the lightest shade and I'm just applying that to my brow bone and inner corner to highlight everything. Next, I'm going into this orange shade. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it because I can't. But I'm just basically applying that as a transition color to my crease, and I'm really working it to help kind of elongate and extend my eye. Next, I'm dipping into the color called Hell Ride, which is this beautiful purple, and I'm just applying that shade on my outer corner, kind of in my outer V, to my inner corner, and then connect it through the crease. We're sort of creating that halo eye shape. Next, I'm just carving out the center with some concealer. Now I'm just taking that gold shade and I'm mixing it with Wild Heart, which is this lighter shimmery purple. I'm just applying it, just to set the concealer. Now I'm going into my Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this one's so beautiful. It's in the shade called Gold Goddess, I think. I'm just applying that over top so we have some extra sparkle, because I mean, who doesn't want that? Now I'm just going in with a bit more purple and I'm blending everything out so it's nice, smoky, defined, and dramatic. And I'm also carving out that crease so it's nice and sharp. And you'll see me here again blending to make sure that everything we want is nice, smoky, and seamless. Because you don't want to look too crazy. A little crazy is good, but not too much. Next, I'm taking this glitter from Festival Face, and it's in the shade called Pink Champagne. And how amazing is this? I got this as a present because I won a contest from this company, and guys, just look at the glitter. I applied the NYX Glitter Glue and the glitter on top, and it's absolutely beautiful and stunning. It stays on and it did not move. I'm also applying that to my inner corner and my lower lash line. And you know me, the more glitter the better, so I'm packing that stuff on. Now I'm just applying mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And as you can see here, it doesn't matter how many times you move your face or what you do, if you set the glitter, it does not go anywhere. Next, I'm just applying these dramatic Sephora lashes in the shade Vivacious, and I'm taking Wild Heart, this beautiful purple again, and I'm just applying it to my lower lash line. Probably should have done this before I applied glitter and mascara, but it's okay. I mean, you see, glitter's not falling, everything is all good. Next, I'm taking this Kat Von D beautiful new highlighter. Guys, oh, it has such a beautiful iridescent glow to it, and I'm just applying it to my cheekbones. It is stunning. And I'm applying it to the center of my face to highlight as well. Now I found it to be a little stark white, so I just applied the Amrezy highlighter on top. And next I'm filling my lips in with this beautiful Anastasia liquid lipstick, which I believe is in the shade Catnip. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it down below, but this purple is gorgeous. And it dries matte, and trust me, it does not budge at all, so it's perfect for festivals. Now next, I also got sent this face jewelry, kind of like these face studs that you can stick on, and they are so beautiful. It's like a sticker, and you can see me here putting it on and sticking it on, and guys, it is so comfortable. It will not fall off at all. If you set it and you press it the way I am, you're good to go. I wore this for a good 6 hours and it did not budge. So guys, that is the final look. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!